Good afternoon, good evening. It's your host, Chef Gregory. Today I'm going to show you my super weight loss stir fry and show you how it's prepared. It's very simple. A lot of chopping involved. It's a little bit labor intensive, but I'm sure you'll get through it. Welcome to Chef Gregory's Bachelor Cooking Show. So I prepared my signature stir fry. We've got coconut oil, almonds, cut onions, garlic, and chili, any chili that's very hot. Then we have carrot, snow peas, beans, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and sweet corn. And in last, because this is all put in order of hardness, so we don't end up with a soft, gooey thing at the end. We want it to be crisp. We want that to be nice and crunchy. So we've got our green peppers and our red peppers, also called capsicum. We've got our mushroom here, and we finish off by getting that lovely red cabbage in there. And we were going to flavour it today with a satay curry. And that, my friends, is the pre-prep for Chef Gregory's signature stir fry. So, there's my sausages, that's my protein there. So what's happened here is I've finished now. Basically, the cabbage and the mushrooms went on last, so they're just basically being steamed. There's different levels.
These different levels.
So basically the almonds, the chili, the garlic, the onions went in first, so they've been in the longest. Then the harder things like the carrot and the cauliflower went in next. And then just as they become a softer item, they go in until there's just a steaming at the end. Now, this is your litmus. If you haven't got that, if you don't have that broccoli with a bit of crunch to it, you failed, all right? That's the litmus to the whole thing. But look here. This is how I roll. I clean up as I go. I've got my bowl to put my sausages and stir fry in. And here, I've got my dessert ready to go. But as you can see, I don't have to worry about cleaning up because I've done it already. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the show today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you next time on the Bachelor Cooking Show with Chef Gregory. This is a Red Fox Conglomerate production in association with Squirrel Limited Holdings. Bye for now.
An Aussie conglomerate. A conglomerate.